both of these.
You mean 2 of those?
Yeah.
Yes. Is that exciting? Is it like woohoo? Let me hear your woohoo.
No.
I like your woohoo. You have a really great woohoo. Did you know that? What?
Bye-bye, Mama.
Woohoo! What are you having?
This?
What is that?
I don't know. I forgot what it's called.
It's called a Twix.
Oh, yeah!
Bye, Zoe. I'll see you later.
Bye.